Before the break, I met Mark and Mary, discussed their ideas for the home remodel, and I sprung into action with a game plan. Don from Innovation Cabinetry came by to measure the cabinets, and thanks to their latest shelving products, we began to work on our own surprise.
So as a surprise for Mary, we've got a closet on the other side of this wall. So in order to get rid of all the shoe storage that's kind of in the way as you come in from outside, we can take some of the space that's from the closet on the other side, recess a little nook area so the children will have a place to sit, put their shoes on, and everything will be tucked away outside. Then giving you back this walkway.
Ryan and Russ continue demolition. And the husband and wife installation team from Innovation Cabinets are working fast. So fast, in fact, that Ryan and Russ are having a hard time keeping up.
We got a lot accomplished today, but there's a lot left to do. They were talking about starting to install tomorrow, which I don't see how that's going to be possible because I got to run new plumbing, new electrical, repair some drywall, and that there is going to be a full day just prepping. So I think they're going to need to add an extra day to be able to start the install.
You can also go to these websites to learn more about the participants on today's episode.